Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. Tan a squared equal to secant of a squared minus number 1. So about this one, we need to change this one into this one. Next, this one will multiply by this one and this one. Next, we need to concentrate on this one. Next, we need to use about integration by parts. So, in this situation, we need to know that this one that is about secant of 2s multiplied by secant of 2s squared. So I will put about u equal to secant of 2s. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equal to number 2 secant of 2s tan 2s ds dv that is about this one. So the integration of this one that is about v equal to 1 over 2 tan 2s. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v, so number 2 and 1 over 2 they cancel, and now we just have only the integration secant of 2s tan 2s squared ds. Next, we know that this one that is about this one. Next, secant of 2s multiplied by secant of 2s squared, we have the integration secant of 2s to the power of 3. Next, negative and negative, we have positive, and we have the integration secant of 2s ds. And we know that this one equals to this one. Next, I will put this one go to the right. Next, this one plus this one, we have number 2. Now we divide both sides by number 2. Now we need to go back in here. The integration of this one in here, that is about this one. So 1 over 2 minus number 1 in here, we have negative 1 over 2. Next, the integration of this one, we have 1 over 2 Ln of the absolute value of secant of 2s plus tan 2s and I will put about sin here. So 1 over 2, 1 over 2, we have 1 over 4. This is the end. Thank you for watching.